Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a plan with me for the week of April 22nd through the 28th. This is a special week because the final Avengers movie comes out this week, and I'm super excited to use a kit that I made, and I'm kind of happy with it, so I'm super excited about that. Wait for this truck to pass by. So yeah, here's the kit. Here are the full boxes, and the characters are in their Endgame suits. Now, I did not draw these characters, but I did put all the rest of it together. Like I said, they're in their Endgame suits, and Ant-Man is tiny, so I went ahead and did that. And then here are the headers and little things. And we have full box checklists. We have the patterned ones and then the color ones. And then we have half boxes, quarter box labels. And then we have the functional sheet. And then we have the bottom washi and date covers. And some extra washi. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the base down and go on from there. I'm thinking that I'm going to use some glitter overlays, not glitter overlays, but overlays. So I'm gonna be using these that I made. They're in rose gold. It's not the best, whatever, but it gives it some sparkle. So yeah. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So before we get to the actual plans for this week, I want to apologize for that static noise that goes on in the background. I have no idea what it is. I've tried recording with several different things and I don't know what it is. Okay, so moving down to the actual plans, the first thing that I wanted to put down for Monday was a to-do header and a 3-heart checklist for the things that I needed to do at work. The first and only thing I put down was a sticker for emails. Then I wanted to note down that I wanted to edit and upload this current video. So I used an upload sticker from my own, and I used a YouTube Maro, so I put that down. Then for the remainder of Monday, I put my usual things down. I put out a small header, and I covered that with a trash sticker from that collection that they brought out for Michael's. I forget the name of the shop who put that collection out. And I also put a fancy label down, and I put a pool sticker down, and for my daughter's swim class. For Tuesday, again, I put another to-do header, and I put a 3-heart checklist, and I put another email sticker. Then on Tuesday, I used a quarter fancy label, and I used this Banana Doodle Shop Tubs bath time sticker for my girls. Moving on to Wednesday and Thursday, I did the exact same thing that I've been doing. I put my to-do header down, and I put a 3-heart checklist, again with another variation of that same email sticker that I have. I did that for Wednesday, and then I didn't show it putting down for Thursday, but I also put one down on Thursday. So yeah, here you see me putting down that email sticker down. Then I moved on to Thursday and Friday. I put to-do headers and the 3-heart checklist, which originally they're 5-heart checklists, but I cut them down because this week I don't have much going on, but I do it day by day. So and this is pre-planning. So for Friday, I just end up putting a payroll sticker because I need to do payroll on Friday. And that was about it for Thursday and Friday. So then I moved on to Saturday, and Saturday for me is my cleaning day. Because we work all week Monday through Friday. Saturday and Sundays are my day off. So Saturday I usually spend the whole morning cleaning and playing with my girls. So I put a 3-heart checklist down, and then I went down to Saturday night, because that's when we are going to watch the Avengers. So I put a movie label down, and I put Avengers Endgame on it. And then for Sunday, I put a half box, and I wrote Game of Thrones episode 3, and I also put a to-do list. I need to have one of my girls' school bag ready and both of their swim bags ready. So I filled that out, and then I went back to Saturday and I filled out all the things that I usually clean on Saturdays. And last thing I decided to do, I decided to go ahead and put down the rose gold glitter header overlays that I had printed out. So I went ahead and did that for the remainder of the spread, as well as the overlay for the bottom washi. So yeah, that's all I have for this week. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!